Welcome to our channel. If you are passionate about creating a home with elegance, charm, and timeless appeal, you have come to the right place. In this video, we shall explore a range of French home decor ideas that you can incorporate in your living space to bring that sophisticated look. Whether you are dreaming of a chic Persian apartment, these design ideas will help you capture the essence of French style. You don't need a huge budget to achieve a French-inspired look. Many key elements, such as vintage furniture, can be found at markets or second-hand shops. You can also have DIY some of the ornate details, like creating your own distressed furniture or using wallpaper with French motifs. Don't be afraid to get creative with accessories and textiles, as these small touches can make a big impact. Use natural materials, soft color palettes, and rustic accents to create a warm and inviting home inspired by the French countryside. Make your home stylish like a Persian apartment with elegant furniture, gold accents, and timeless decor that blends modern and vintage styles. Get inspired by the blend of formality and simplicity in French provincial design, featuring classic wood furniture, ornate detailing, and a soft color scheme. French homes are known for their glamorous and ornate lighting. We shall give you tips on choosing the perfect chandeliers, sconces, and lamps to brighten up your space. Learn about the use of rich fabrics like velvet, linen, and silk that add depth and texture to the French interiors. French home decor is known for its enduring appeal. It combines sophistication with a relaxed vibe, making it easy to live with while still feeling luxurious. The mix of antique and modern elements ensures that the style remains current yet timeless. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large home, French-inspired decor can be adapted to suit any space. French bedroom decor is known for its timeless elegance, combining romantic and vintage elements with a touch of sophistication. To achieve this look, start with a neutral color palette of soft creams, pale blues, and light grays, complemented by pastels accents. Opt for antique style furniture such as a carved wooden bed frame or a chic tufted headboard. Incorporate luxurious fabrics like silk, linen, and velvet for bedding, curtains, and throw pillows. A French kitchen makeover brings timeless elegance and rustic charm into your home, blending practicality with beauty. To achieve this look, start with a neutral, warm color palette of soft whites, grays, and earthy tones, paired with natural materials like wood and stone. Incorporating classic elements such as a farmhouse sink, vintage style brass or copper faucets, and bedboard cabinetry adds old world sophistication. Open shelving allows for the display of ceramics, glassware, and copper pots, emphasizing both functionality and French style. Statement lighting like a wrought iron chandelier or antique candle lights enhances the atmosphere, while terracotta or checkered flooring adds warmth and texture underfoot. The result is a kitchen that feels effortlessly elegant, cozy, and perfect for cooking or entertaining. A French-inspired indoor interior sets the tone for a home filled with timeless elegance and charm. To create this look, begin with a neutral color palette, favoring soft whites, grays, and muted blues, which create an eerie and welcoming atmosphere. Incorporate classic French elements like a vintage console table with curved legs, topped with an ornate mirror, or a gilded frame for a touch of sophistication. Add decorative accents such as a vase of fresh flowers, antique candlesticks, or a brass tray to introduce warmth and personality. A woven basket can offer practical storage while enhancing the rustic appeal. Consider installing a wrought iron chandelier or wall sconces for soft, ambient lighting. Flooring options like herringbone, wood, or elegant black and white tiles further enhance the French aesthetic. With these touches, your entrance becomes a seamless blend of functionality and French refinement, creating a warm welcome for guests. A French inspired indoor walkway combines elegance and charm with functional design, creating a beautiful transition space within your home. Start by choosing a neutral color palette with soft whites, grays, or pastels, which reflect light and make the walkway feel open and airy. Add vintage style artwork or gilded mirrors along with the walls to introduce sophistication and depth. Incorporating antique consoles or slim wooden tables with delicate carvings provides a place for decorative accents like vases filled with fresh flowers, scented candles, or small sculptures. For flooring, consider timeless options like herringbone wood or classic checkered tiles to evoke a traditional French feel. Lighting plays a key role, so opt for wall sconces or painted lights with wrought iron or brass finishes to enhance the ambience. French wall art is perfect for adding elegance and a touch of romance to your space. A classic idea is to display vintage French posters, black and white photography of iconic Paris landmarks like the Eiffel Tower on the scene. Add a sophisticated touch. For a more traditional look, consider framed oil paintings or reproductions of French impressionist works featuring soft landscapes or floral scenes. Gilded or distressed frames complement the French aesthetic beautifully. You can also hang ornate mirrors with intricate detailing to reflect light and create a sense of space. To add texture, try tapestries or fabric wall hangings inspired by 18th century French designs, making your walls an expression of timeless French style and culture. French dining table decor emphasizes elegance, simplicity, and timeless charm. Start with a classic wooden table, either rustic with a natural finish or painted in soft, neutral tones like cream or light gray. For the centerpiece, opt for fresh flowers in a simple ceramic or glass vase, such as roses, lavender, or eucalyptus, for a touch of French countryside charm. Use linen tablecloths or runners in a neutral tones paired with mismatched vintage china or delicate porcelain plates for an authentic lived-in feel. Add silver or brass cutlery for a refined touch and complete the look with crystal glassware. Tapered candles in antique style holders create a soft romantic ambiance. This combination of classic elements and understated luxury evokes the relaxed yet sophisticated feel of French dining at its best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home tips and tricks. Up till next time, happy decorating.